Perek Aleph Halacha Aleph. K'sheyasa tshuva v'yoshev mecheto chayv l'svados v'nei hakel baruch hu shenama isha kiyasu mikol chato sa'odem l'malmal b'Hashem v'oshema ha'nefesh hahi v'esvados chatosim ha'sha'osu ze viduy dvarim. Viduy ze mitzvus asay. The Rambam again discusses the din of viduy in Perek Beis, Halacha Beis. Umahi atshuva hu sheyazov achote cheto v'yisirenu mimachshavto v'yigma b'libo shelo yasehu od shenema yazov v'osha danku v'yishoven machshavosov v'chein yisnachem al she'ovar shenema ki acharei shuvi nichamti v'yoad alav yodea talumos shelo yoshev lezeh hachet la'olam shenema v'lo noma od Eloheinu l'masa yodeinu asher b'cho yivucham yosom v'tzorech lehizvados b'svasav V'loma inyanos elu shagama beliba. So the Rambam returns to the din Viduy. So repetition is not the Rambam style. B, what's especially telling is the downgrade, as it were, in the Lashon HaRambam. In Perek Aleph Halacha Aleph, the Rambam speaks of Chayev lehizvados. And here in Beis, it's V'tzarach lehizvados. What exactly is the best, is an accurate translation of tzarech is a question. It certainly doesn't mean optional. It's stronger than should. But on the other hand, it's not synonymous with chayav. In the previous line here in Perek Beis, Halacha Beis, the Rambam says, Yoad alav yodea talumos, that a person should invite HaKadosh Baruch Hu to serve as a witness. The Baal Tshuva should invite HaKadosh Baruch Hu to serve as a witness, Shelo Yoshev Lezeh Ched La'olam, and he quotes as his raya, V'lo noma od Eloheinu l'maseh yadeinu. So Rav Kapach, in his comments on this, excuse me, that the Rambam here is following in the footsteps of Rav Sadia Gaon, and that Rav Sadia in Emunas V'Deos sees these psukim in Hosea. It's the Haftorah that we recognize from Shabbos Shuvah. He sees these psukim as encapsulating the elements of tshuva. And specifically, so how did the psukim begin? So it begins, K'chui mochem dvarim, v'shuvu ad Hashem, and then fast forwarding a little bit, Ashur lo yoshienu, al sus lo nirkov, v'lo noma od Eloheinu l'maseh yodeinu. So each of those elements, the Mefarshim explain, the Ashur lo yoshienu and al sus lo nirkav lo noma od Eloheinu l'maseh yodeinu are expressions of Kabbalah lahaba. Lo noma od Eloheinu l'maseh yodeinu will no longer turn to avodah zarah, and al sus lo nirkav, it's not going to be kochi v'otzem yodi. Ashur lo yoshienu, we're not going to place our trust in the Gentile superpowers. So the Kechui Machem Devarim means that you have to articulate, and specifically what you're articulating is the Kabbalah Lahaba. So in light of that, so Yitachen Ma'od, that the Pshat in the Rambam is as follows, that in Perek Aleph the Rambam tells us that distinct from Tshuva, there's a Chiyuv Viduy. Viduy is the instrument for kapara. There's a chiyuv to seek kapara. There's a chiyuv viduy, and that's distinct from tshuva. And that's a chiyuv. It's a mitzvah aseh. It's a chiyuv. Then the Rambam says, based on the psukim in Hosea, there's also a din of viduy, which is part of the tshuva process itself. That as part of the tshuva process itself, the Navi says, "Kechui machem dvarim." Hagam that the tshuva is obviously balev, but nevertheless, kechui machem dvarim. Is this ma'akev? Is it the case that there's no tshuva without the kechui machem dvarim? No, it's not ma'akev. Hamakadish is Aisha, Almanasha Nitzad Gomor, is she Safek Mukudesh, Hashem Mehira Belibo Tshuva. So clearly, what the Psukim are saying in Hosea not Ma'akev, it's not Chayev Lehizvados, it's Tzarech Lehizvados. And what's more, Yitachen Ma'od, that even what's to be included in the Viduy is not the same. In Perek Aleph, the Rambam tells us the Ikar Shel Viduy, Chatosi avisi pashati l'fanecha asisi kach v'kach v'erinichamti u'boshti b'masai ul'olam eini chozer l'davar zeh. So the Viduy of Perek Aleph, meaning the independent mitzvahs Viduy, as distinct from the Teshuva, includes not only the Kabbalah Lahaba, but it also looks backwards to the Nichamti Uboshti B'Masai. Here in Perek Beis, the Rambam says, Tzarech le'izvadus b'svasav, v'loma inyanos elu shegomar belibo. Right? Gomar belibo, as the Rambam used the phrase in the beginning of Halacha Beis, v'yigmar belibo shelo yaseu od, gomar belibo means there's a decision taken about the future. Nimnu v'gomru. Gomar belibo means a sense of resolve, a decision about the future. Why? Because the Psukim in Hosea, after it says Kechui Machem Dvarim, don't have any expressions of Charata. So the mitzvah, the tzorich of Viduy as an integral part of Teshuva, so that only relates to the Kabbalah Haba, and hence the Rambam, Tzorich Lizvadus B'Svasav V'lo Minyanos Elu Shegomar Belibo.